Hey guys, it's Tiffany. What is freaking up, you guys? It's another day, it's another vlog, and it's our first day in LA. You guys have no idea. I am so happy to be home. I freaking am so excited and so stoked at the fact that we are home back in LA. I honestly genuinely forgot how much I love my house, which is crazy. I have a house in LA. Like, I can do whatever I want in here. I'm currently in the middle of unpacking all of our stuff that we brought to Colorado. We have so much stuff to do. We also want to go to Trader Joe's and get some more groceries for this house. I actually want to go through this entire kitchen and just throw away everything that we didn't eat, because if we didn't take it with us or eat it in the last month, when are we ever gonna actually eat this stuff? Like, I don't know why we have like cans of beans, but I don't think Matt's ever gonna eat that. So I'm just gonna throw it away and maybe possibly, if I'm able to, donate it to like a shelter, because we do have a bunch of food in here that are cans that are not opened. We got a lot of shit to do. I'm gonna show you guys everything that we need to do today. There's so much stuff. So we have all this stuff that needs to be put away. We have all this beautiful stuff that needs to be put away. I'm not gonna lie, Matt was really good and last night actually put a bunch of his stuff away. I'm next. I did not put a bunch of stuff away, so I'm gonna do that right now. We are gonna leave to Trader Joe's in like less than an hour. So, oh my God, there she is. I was actually looking for this guy, could not find her, and she was right here. I don't think you guys understand how good it feels to be home right now, but before I actually clean up, I actually wanna try these. These are my favorite cookies from Hawaii. These are the Honolulu Cookie Company Premium Shortbread Cookies, Chocolate Chip Macadamia Mini Bites. So good. They're shaped like little pineapples. I'm actually mad at my sister for not giving me more of these, because these are my favorite things ever, and I could definitely eat this in less than a day. Oh my God, it is so good. I'm trying to get rid of everything that is been in here forever. Are they still good? Oh my God, these are rock solid. So that's a no. I think both Matt and I came to a realization after being in Colorado for a month. I came home and I'm like, oh my God, I have a house full of shit that I didn't need over the last month. Do I actually really need all these things? Like, I think going to Denver for a month really reiterated the fact that I should become more of a minimalist. I don't need to live my life where I have all this stuff surrounding me. So that's kind of why I'm like throwing a bunch of stuff away right now, because I was saving all these snacks for like if I had friends over. I felt bad throwing out food, and I'm like, yeah, it's bad to throw out food, but at the same time it's bad to also have clutter, and I already know I'm not going to eat this stuff, so I might as well just throw it out so I have less clutter in my home. I go through these periods where I'm like, I'm gonna become a minimalist, I'm gonna throw everything away, and then all of a sudden I'm like, holy shit, I just bought a bunch of new stuff. Right now we're on a minimalist kick. Hopefully it lasts forever, but we'll actually see. But right now I'm filling up all these little cubbies with some chocolates and stuff that Matt loves. One thing I do love doing is opening up all my candy and sticking them in like a little cubby like this, just so that I can see what kind of candy I have, and it keeps them really nice and soft. That is beautiful. I love these gummies. Later today, I might potentially see Mia, so I'm gonna bring a bunch of snacks to her house and be like, are any of these snacks something you would want? If they're not, feel free to throw it out. Just don't let me know. So I'm gonna definitely bring all like these snacks, because she does love her snacks. I love my snacks. We both like snacking together. So I'm gonna give her all these snacks and see what she thinks about it.
I've been on my way up, now it's really far down. I don't think I'll
Guys, look at this beautifulness. I just organized everything in here. We're probably gonna organize it even more and throw out even more stuff, but for now Matt wanted to keep his black beans, although I think he will never eat those. We will see. Organize everything down here, down here, down here, but the real prettiness is over here. I have so many of these schoolyard snacks. These are so good. I'm obsessed with the peanut butter cereals. Where are they? Did I eat them all? Please don't tell me I ate them all. Yes, these so good. So I'm gonna buy some oat milk tonight and have this probably for a snack today. Also, can we talk about how empty our fridge is? I have never seen our fridge so empty. We definitely need to do a deep clean of this fridge. It's looking pretty disgusting. What is that cheese? That's cheese. Okay, we need to empty this out as well. Oh, we taken my car. Guys, I missed this little girl. This car is beautiful. I miss driving her. I'm so excited. Matt's car amazing to drive. It feels like a boat though. It cannot accelerate to save its life. This baby, ooh, she accelerates like no other. It's so sexy. Get yourself a man that carries your groceries for you. Hey guys, so we just got home from Trader Joe's. Let's just do a little Trader Joe's haul. What did Miss Tiffany Ma get during this Trader Joe's haul? I got multi-grain sourdough with sunflower seeds. I was trying to be a little healthier, a little healthy bitch. Normally I get like white bread. I got multi-grain. I got a dozen eggs. The one thing I always butcher, I think it's called cacio e pepe, cacio e pepe, not Italian, but it's fucking bomb. Then we got some flank steak, a little avocado, some ground beef, a salad. Who am I? Don't recognize myself anymore, but honestly, I'm just trying to eat healthier. I've been eating so shitty since being in Denver. Like the first week I was in Denver, ate so healthy. Then the last 3 weeks, ate out every other day. And then we got some oat milk for my cereal that I freaking love. And one last thing, we got my favorite, the Perfect Bars chocolate chip cookie dough. All right, that is everything we got. Let's put everything away. Alright guys, so I put everything away and I just made myself some lunch. I mean, it's a really small lunch, I'm not gonna lie, but Matt said he's gonna make dinner in like less than 2 hours. So I don't wanna ruin my appetite because he's gonna make salmon, which is like my favorite salmon ever. Literally makes it better than any other restaurant I've ever been to. And also on top of that, I've just been snacking all day. And then later tonight, I'm gonna go see Mia and we're gonna go watch The Bachelor and she's gonna have a bunch of snacks there as well. We're gonna have a good ass day of snacking and eating. So I just don't wanna ruin my appetite, but I made the famous Kylie Jenner avocado toast, which is avocado on sourdough bread with honey, salt, and crushed red peppers. That is fire. Look at that beauty. So good.
In October, it feels like summertime. I keep falling for you like every night. Been communicating through.
Hey guys, a little update here. I spent the last 2 hours not packing this stuff, or unpacking it, I mean, but instead I've been working on my computer. I have a slight headache coming along. I don't know if it's just from like this hair situation I have going on. My hair is disgusting. If you guys are wondering why I have it in like the grossest updo, it's because it's so nasty and grimy and oily. I did not take a shower last night. I was too tired, and I'm gonna take a shower later tonight when I get back home. That's why I have it up. But I think this hairstyle is giving me a headache. I can't remember the last time I had my hair up in a ponytail like this, but Matt just made us dinner. I'm super excited. We're gonna watch Servant while we eat. Oh my god, this smells so good, babe. Thank you.
It's black and white. I'm all up in the clouds when it's pouring rain. Ain't never coming down unless you call my name. Yeah, we should take it slow.
Hey guys, it's Tiffany. Duh. It is the next morning now. Matt and I ended up watching Allen vs. Pharaoh on HBO Max after we watched Servant, and then around like 8 p.m. I went to Mia's house so that we could watch last night's episode of The Bachelor, and holy freaking cow, this entire season is absolutely insane. And I just feel so bad for Matt. Like, I do not think they should have aired that conversation he had with his dad. I think it was too personal. I don't know. It just seemed like the dad was definitely blindsided by that entire conversation. If you guys watched The Bachelor, let me know how you guys feel about the last episode that just aired on Monday. But yeah, with that being said, I went to Mia's house. She made pasta. She made the TikTok pasta. Not gonna lie, I ate way too much of it after having Matt's salmon. I feel blah today. This morning I woke up and I just don't feel great. So starting tomorrow, we're gonna start eating healthier, at least try to eat healthier. I don't know. I feel like I've been eating so shittily in Denver, and now that I just got a bunch of groceries at Trader Joe's the other day, I want to start eating super healthy, or just a little bit healthier than I've been doing, because I'm not gonna lie, I've been eating bags and bags and bags of candy the last few days, and I need to stop. But with that being said, today's question of the day comes from Cole CS. Her question is, what was your college SATs? I think she means, what was your SAT scores? I could be completely wrong. Let me know if this is not what you're trying to ask, because I'm not entirely sure what you're trying to ask. But my SAT scores were 1920 out of 2400. I do know since I left high school, they have changed the scoring system of the SATs, where it's out of 1600 now. I will say 1920 out of 2400 was actually a very good score. It wasn't like a 2300, but it was well above average. I think the average score was like a 1600 or a 1700, and I got a 1920. With that being said, let me know what your SAT scores are, and if you were out of 2400, do you know the equivalent of a 1600? I'm so confused why they even changed the scoring system. But either way, if you guys want to be a part of the next question of the day, make sure to leave me some questions down below. I love you guys so much. Make sure to subscribe if you guys are new, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for another daily vlog. Bye guys. Bye.
Hey, you the best part of every single day. Ooh, no matter what I do, I've been lost in you.